Om Shanti. Today's Murli. Date 21st June 2021. Essence. Sweet children, there is just one way to become pure. Have remembrance of the Father. Only the effort of having remembrance will be useful at the end. Question. What tilak should you apply at the confluence age so that you receive the tilak of the kingdom in the golden age? Answer. At the confluence age, apply the tilak of being a soul, a point, and not a body. Continue to make it firm within yourself that you are a soul and that you have to claim your inheritance from the Father. Baba is a point, and I am also a point. With this tilak, you will attain the tilak of the kingdom of heaven. Baba says, if you remember me, I guarantee that you will be saved from crying for half the cycle. Point 1. All the effort is required just for remembrance. However, you children are unable to make this effort. Maya troubles you a lot. Point 2. You have to do the service of remembering such a bridegroom for a minimum of 8 hours. You have to give your bridegroom help by remembering him. That is, you children should remember the Father. This endeavor is very great. Point 3. The term Manmanabhav is mentioned in the Gita. Continue to remember the Father. Continue to remember the one Father while walking and moving around. There is nothing else you have to do. Point 4. The Father only comes at the confluence age. He doesn't come at any other time. You also know this, number wise, according to the efforts you make. Point 5. Many subjects will be created, but it takes effort to become a king. Each of you can ask your own heart, to what extent do I stay in remembrance of the Father and remain cheerful? Be once again becoming deities. Sit in solitude and talk to yourself. Try this for yourself. Continue to remember the Father because He guarantees that you will never cry for half the cycle. Essence for Dharna. Point 1. Let go of wasteful thoughts of external things. Sit in solitude and make effort to remember the Father. Wake up early in the morning and churn the ocean of knowledge, and also look at your chart. Point 2. Just as donations and charity are important on the path of devotion, so remembrance is important on the path of knowledge. Make your soul ever healthy and wealthy with remembrance. Practice remaining bodiless. Blessing. May you be master knowledgeful and donate jewels of knowledge with your words. Explanation: those who donate jewels of knowledge with their words receive the blessing of being master knowledgeful. Each and every word of theirs is very valuable. Many souls are thirsty to listen to every word of theirs. Every word of theirs is full of sense, and they have a special happiness. Their treasure stores are overflowing, and this is why they are always content and cheerful. Their words are impressive. By donating words, you develop many virtues in your speech. Slogan: become a self sovereign and you will claim a right to the full inheritance. I repeat, become a self sovereign and you will claim a right to the full inheritance. Om Shanti.